Welcome back to my channel. Did you know that your brain can create a face where there isn't one? This is a phenomenon known as the Thatcher illusion. In 1980, a British neuroscientist, Peter Thompson, presented a series of images to a group of participants and asked them to identify which ones were human faces. At first, there was a mix of human faces and non-human faces, and the participants were pretty accurate in their identification. But as the experiment went on, there were fewer human faces shown, and the participants became less accurate, regularly mistaking these for human faces. So why do you think this is happening? Take a look at this image. Do you see a face? Well, take a closer look. There isn't one. Your brain is just making one up based on the context clues it has. The images that you saw before and after this one were human faces. So your brain just assumed that this one was a human face too, even though it's just a random assortment of features. This phenomenon is known as top-down processing. Our brains make use of context clues to help us quickly and efficiently process information. So in this case, because we had seen human faces before and after this image, our brains assumed that this image was also a human face. Now here's where things get really interesting. When we were shown these made-up faces, different areas of our brains lit up. The fusiform face area, which is the part of the brain responsible for recognizing faces, became active when we were shown actual human faces. But when we were shown these fake faces, another part of the brain, the parietal lobe, which is responsible for processing spatial information, also became active. This suggests that our brains are actually processing these fake faces differently than they process actual human faces. So what does this mean for you? Well, next time you're trying to figure out if something is a face or not, just remember that your brain may be playing tricks on you. We've all heard the phrase, "a face only a mother could love." Well, it turns out that a mother's love is a powerful thing indeed. A study published in the journal Current Biology in 2008 found that mothers are more likely than fathers to find their babies' faces attractive, and it's all down to the shape of those faces. Babies have relatively larger brains than adults, which makes their heads appear bigger than the rest of their body. This is called baby skin, and it has thought to be an evolutionary adaptation that helps us to quickly identify and care for our infants. But it's not just parents who are attracted to baby faces. A study published in the journal Nature in 2002 found that people with a high need for affiliation were also more attracted to baby faces. This could be because baby faces make us feel nurturing and protective, which in turn makes us feel good about ourselves. But if you're still not convinced, there's one more thing. A study published in the journal Psychological Science in 2007 found that people who were shown baby faces were more likely to help others than those who were shown adult faces. So maybe helping others really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just look at these cute baby faces. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content.